Hi, I'm Cecile from the Print Bar, and I'm going to be walking you through the process of designing a shirt online. So the first step in the process is choosing what kind of shirt you want. So I'm going to go into Get Started, and I'm going to look through products by styles. I'm going to select a women's maple crew neck tee by AS Color. And over here on the left-hand side of the screen, you can choose what size you want your shirt to be. It's a little drop down. And I'm going to click that and I'm going to change it to a medium. And you can see here all the colors the medium size shirt is available in. And I'm going to select that one I want it in rose. And I think I want 5 of those. So now I've chosen my color, my size, and my quantities. I'm going to upload my image. I go up the top and select Add Design. And then I'm going to have a browse for it on my computer. And sometimes it can just take a few seconds for the file to upload. And we click yes. I hereby declare I own the rights to print this image. And then you've got the image on the shirt. Now with this image, we can see that the quality bar is green, which means it's a high quality image. A good test of this is when you're looking at it on a computer. If you zoom in and it doesn't go blurry, it's a good quality image. I'm going to choose where I want this image on the shirt. Got these little buttons on the edge of your image. You can choose to resize it and place your design. I want it about this size in the middle. And we've got some tools on the left-hand side of the screen that you can use to center your image. If I just click these little arrows here, it'll adjust your image so it centers horizontally. Or if I want it vertically centered, it'll place it in the middle there. Now I want to add some text to this shirt, so I'm going to go up to the top and select Add Custom Text. And it's going to appear on the screen just in our default font in a blue color, but I can change that on the left-hand side as well. We've got a whole bunch of fonts that you can use. I'm going to choose a fancy font. I'm going to choose Bangers. And I'm going to change the color of this one to just to white. And I'm going to make sure my text is centered as well. You can change that just by going to position and then centering it as well. I'm going to make it a bit smaller and center it again. Now, I like this layout at the moment. And so we've got a tool that you can use to save it, so you can create other shirts with this layout on it. It'll appear in your account under your saved layout. So I'm going to go down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen and click the little floppy disk that says Save Your Design for Later Use. You can enter your layout name, and that's going to appear under My Account in Saved Layouts. So now that one is done, I can click Buy. So that's in my cart. Yeah, if I want that design on another shirt, I can go into My Account, Saved Layouts, and click Edit. And then I can click Change Product here, and it'll bring up a list of all our products you can change it to. And then you can change the sizes that you're after and the quantities again, and add that one to your order. And then your shirts are done and designed and ready to check out.